I'm Greg Whalen. I'm the new CTO for Casper Labs. I think it will actually help us move faster. I think it will help us move around some of these things that just say, we know we need to do something here with data, with how we manage stuff. We don't really know what. I'm hoping that the governance aspect will give us those guidelines so that we can say, hey, some smart people have thought about this. Here's the way we should think about how we use data, how we share data, how we do this stuff. And now we're confident that we can go on and again get back to spending the majority of our time, innovate. Started my career in research, and my research area was natural language processing, and as a result we were building models for healthcare, generative models. Fast forward to my time at Pivotal, where I built and led a team of data scientists. What I was so shocked to see is that about those 15-20 years since me being in research, those same problems of model governance, of data management, of data provenance, they were still really getting in the way of innovation. Blockchain is uniquely suited towards solving some of the problems around creating an audit log, sort of an immutable record that tells us what happens to a model and what happened to data. So blockchain makes is really the perfect technology for those types of use cases. Now, when you add in smart contracts, when you add in the ability to develop on top of those data, respond to triggers, consume kind of data events that are coming from the blockchain, this becomes doubly interesting. What I want Proof.ai to do is ultimately to make it easier for AI and ML developers to innovate, to deploy their models, to share their models, to basically share possibly even data and understand where their data came from. I want to make the point here that the vision doesn't stop there, right? The vision continues. And it goes in a direction where beyond Proof AI, at least their initial releases, the governance aspect is only one sort of part of the direction here, right? This starts to get into a point of, okay, what other types of problems can we solve for engineers, right? To make AI model development, deployment, sharing, as easy and as unencumbered as possible for engineers and for organizations, right? So in that everything that's happening is regulated, is compliant with any local laws, and right is the right thing to do. I'm excited mostly just because I understand the use case and I know that it's really something that's in the way, right? So it's just personally a problem I would like to solve. It's been a problem that's existed for AI model developers as well as technology organizations for decades now. So, right, really the biggest draw to me is to have an opportunity to finally fix that, right? To finally, fix those problems that have bothered us for the last couple of decades, and ultimately make model development, deployment, sharing, et cetera, a lot easier.